दिवाली की इस फेस्टिव सीजन में जब सब नई शुरुआत करते हैं, हम भी लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए कुछ नए स्टॉक पिक्स. Presenting our Samvat 2082 Fundamental Muhurat Picks right from Kotak Securities Research Desk. Well, first up we have Adani Port and Cess, जहां हम recommend कर रहे हैं a buy rating at a target price of ₹1,900. We are bullish on this because we see a strong value addition and robust volume growth, especially across East Coast ports. Container volumes की growth के साथ healthy top line and EBITDA expected है by FY29. We expect a well-positioned for long-term expansion. Next है a fast-growing producer of pharma intermediates and specialty chemicals, that is Acutaas Chemicals, with a buy rating at a target price of ₹1,780. The company has been seeing sharp margin expansion owing to process improvements and favorable mix. 25% revenue growth guidance के साथ नए CDMO projects lined up है. It's well positioned for another strong year of growth, especially pharma, electrolyte and semiconductor segments में. Then we have Cummins India, buy rating with a target price of ₹4,400. ये expand कर रहा है into new markets and enhancing its product offerings. With strong growth across power generation segments and 20% plus margins, it's well positioned for 14 to 15% CAGR in revenue and profits over FY26 to 28. Next, we have Eternal, buy rating with a target price of ₹375. Blinkit lead कर रहा है in food delivery with 57% market share and a wider presence across 750 cities. With room to expand take rates and older stores driving operating leverage, हम expect कर रहे हैं Blinkit to achieve EBITDA break-even by H2 FY26 and 83% revenue CAGR over FY25 to 28E. ICICI Bank, buy rating with a target price of ₹1,700. It stands out with an 18% ROE, strong PBT across all segments and healthy stress-free asset quality. With broad-based loan growth and capital market-related subsidiaries had another strong year. Mahindra & Mahindra, buy rating with a target price of ₹4,000. M&M maintain कर रहा है leadership across tractors, SUVs and LCVs. हम expect कर रहे हैं strong tractor volume growth, SUVs to grow mid to high teens and LCV demand to pick up. Profitability is expected to improve across tractor and LCV segments. And the last one is Reliance Industries. This one's with an ad rating with a target price of ₹1,555. RIL is gearing up for its telecom IPO by H1 CY26 and aims to double EBITDA by FY27. इनका retail and FMCG business set है strong revenue growth के लिए, while tech partnerships with Meta and Google Cloud shows its push towards becoming a deep tech enterprise. तो ये थे दिवाली मुहूर्त picks for you. For more insights like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media handles. Wishing you all a happy Diwali, full of prosperity and growth. From Kotak Securities.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.